Welcome back to our channel, beautiful, where we bring you the latest and most mesmerizing hairstyles. In this video, we're going to review the secret behind the captivating crochet goddess Boho Box Braids with Box Braids Illusion. Prepare to be amazed as we guide you through the step-by-step process of creating this enchanting and viral worthy hairstyle. Start by parting your hair into manageable portions. Use the ragtag comb to create clean parts, okay? Just like I am doing here. And once you're done doing that, go ahead and secure the rest with a rubber band, okay? And then you can begin. Now we're gonna begin braiding her natural hair, okay? So again, this is Boss Braid Illusion, all right? So we want this crochet hairstyle to be so versatile that the client can wear her hair in any form or design she wants, or style she wants rather, okay? So now I just section a small section out of the hair that I already sectioned, and then begin braiding the hair with no hair extension, just her natural hair, okay? Just the same way you braid, but at this time you're not going to braid it all the way to the end of that hair, okay? Just a little bit of it, and then we're gonna section another one behind it and connect or add whichever one I attach, whichever words is best. Attach, connect, add, whichever one to the hair behind, okay? So the front one to attach to the hair at the back, okay? Just as I am doing it here now, okay? Attach it and keep braiding. And this is the same process that we're going to follow to make sure that the whole head is done, okay? And before we can do the crochet, we can do the crochet method, okay? So it's just gonna be all the way. There's no cornrow to this method, no cornrows to this method, just all the way single, giving the client the ability to wear her hair in any style she chooses. Updo, low do, side part, however way she would wear it, okay? And it looked exactly as though this hair was braided, like single braided or single braids, okay? So I hope you enjoy it. Also to add, do not braid her natural hair so tight that it will be so hard, or so difficult to pass the crochet hook, okay? Just braid it tight, yes, but not too tight, okay? Just enough to hold the hair, and also enough for you to pass the hook when we are ready to pass the hook for the hair, okay? Continue to repeat the same process until the whole head is done. Don't forget to oil your scalp before adding the crochet hair to keep your hair moisturized while you wear your braids. With the Boho Braids Illusion in place, it is time to crochet braid your hair, infusing it with the boho vibes. I'm gonna leave the detailed information of the crochet hair extension we use in the description below. I'll see if I can find it on Amazon. This hair was brought by my sister, my client today. Take your crochet hook and insert it under the hair, okay, the single braid that we did, okay, with her natural hair. Then attach a section of the pre-loop braiding hair and pull it through the loop created by the crochet hook. Continue this process, working your way around your head until all your hair is transformed into this mesmerizing crochet goddess Boho Box Braids with Box Braids Illusion. Okay, just repeat the same process. Okay, take a crochet hook and insert it under the single braids, okay, that we did. Then attach a section of that pre-loop braiding hair and pull it through the loop, okay, that is created, okay. And then we lock it, keep doing the same thing all over and all over until the whole head is done. And I tell you, you are going to love it, okay. This is gonna be from 1 to 100. All right, this is gonna be the best hair style ever, and I love it. Okay, just keep watching and enjoy it. Yeah. To enhance the boho vibe of your crochet goddess Boho Box Braids with Box Braid Illusion, don't be afraid to add some stylish accessories. Incorporate beads, shells, feathers into your braids to elevate the overall look and make it truly unique. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey of creating the captivating crochet goddess Boho Box Braids with Box Braid Illusion. Remember, with a little creativity and the right technique, you can achieve any hairstyle you dream of. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting hair tutorials.